Hi, good morning, everybody. Today is Navami. We push the Devis. So let us make prasad of chana, halwa, puri to offer to Mata Rani. So we will make black chana, kala chana, which is very healthy, full of proteins. But we will be making everything without any onion, garlic, just simple jeera ka chonk. So let us begin with the process. First of all, take around 200 grams of black chana, kale chane, and soak it in water overnight. Morning, put them in the cooker along with 2 to 3 glasses of water, little bit of salt, little jeera, and give it 6 to 7 whistles until they become slightly soft. I've just taken 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, that is cow's ghee, pure ghee, and I've added little jeera, sabut jeera, and then added the kala chana and little salt, red chili powder, jeera powder, dhania powder, and I've kept it to cook in a big kadahi. So my kala chana is ready for the vrat ki thali. Now I'm making halwa. All equal parts you have to take. I've taken this measurement, this cup, small cup. I've taken 2 cups of rava, 2 cups of atta, whole wheat flour, and I have taken 3 cups of desi ghee, pure desi ghee, and I will be adding 3 cups of sugar to water and making chashni. Right now I am roasting the flours as well as the rava in ghee until they give out a good aroma and leaves the ghee and turns little brown and ready. You will start getting the aroma all over the house. First you add ghee to a pan, take a thick bottom pan, add ghee. Then you add the whole wheat flour, roast it for 2 to 3 minutes, then add the rava and roast them together until they turn light brown and give out a nice aroma, and you can see the ghee in the outer area. I'll put off the gas, chanas are done. Keep on roasting. See, you can see the ghee, it has started to leave the sides, but still keep on roasting it. Well roasted halwa always tastes very good. While we are roasting, add 3 cups of sugar to 3 cups of water and make chashni out of it. You have to just give it a boil until the sugar melts into the water. I've added 3 cups of water. I've put it on the gas until the sugar melts and blends with the water and makes a nice syrup out of it. I'm adding little elaichi powder, cardamom powder, around half a teaspoon. Choti elaichi, the green one, powder it. I usually pound it in a manual hammam dasta. You can do it in the mixer also if you want. See, it's done. Just keep it aside. See, it is giving out the ghee, and you can see ऐसे दानेदार दिख रहा है. That means it is done. The rava is done. Atta is also giving very good aroma of being roasted. Another 2-3 minutes. Keep on stirring it so that it doesn't burn. Add water and keep on stirring it slowly, the sugar water syrup that we have made. If you want to have very sweet halwa, then you can add 4 cups if you want. In my house, nobody likes too much sweet, so I've put 3 cups in, 4 cups of atta and rava. I've used 3 cups of ghee and 3 cups of sugar, 3 cups of water, and 2 cups of rava and 2 cups of atta. Now keep on stirring it until it thickens. Sugar and ghee thoda kam because I don't like the ghee oozing out of the halwa. This blends well, it tastes good. I think it's enough. Baki, you can do that. You can add 4 cups of ghee and 4 cups of sugar. See, the water has dried up completely. It's become very nice, not very sticky with too much ghee, and the taste is also very good. I think it's nice, enough sugar. Now let us garnish it with dry fruits. Just cut a few dry fruits and then sprinkle it on top. I have chopped some kaju and badam. Now my halwa is ready. Now let us make the puris. Now to make around 30 to 40 puris, since we are going to do puja for 9 kanjake, 9 kanyas, each kanya will take 3 to 4 puris along with that chana and halwa. And then for puja thali you require some puris, 1 big puri and the rest small ones around 7 or 9. So let us make around 45 to 48 puris. For that I have taken 2 large cups of wheat flour, added little bit of oil to it, and slowly keep adding water and make a nice tight flour dough out of it. Then add some more oil and cover it. Keep it with the wet cloth for 10 to 15 minutes before starting to roll out the puris. Now let us start making puris. I have taken oil and kept it in a kadai to heat. Once it heats up, I will slow down the flame and roll out puris and start making them. Make round balls and then roll them. There are 2 ways. Either you make them like this with a katori, or directly take small round balls and roll out one puri. Now one by one start putting them in the oil. I'll put 2 together. Keep the flame medium to low so that the oil does not burn and the puris also come out very nice and fluffy and round. Now let us remove them and put in 2 more. I am putting 4 together so that it is faster, since I have to make 40 puris. This will be faster. There is enough oil so it can be done. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share, comment. Let me know how it is. This is a Devi ki thali, Prasad ki thali. Happy Ram Navami to all of you. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Do subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. This is Amita Bagai from Amita Bagai's Amazing Kitchen. Thank you. Jai Mata Di.
मेरी बिगड़ी बना दे, मुझे दर्द बुला दे, मेरी प्यास बुझा दे, जगदम्बे रानी, पहाड़ा वाली, माँ शेरा वाली, नवरात्रिया वाली, नवरात्रिया वाली, वो भक्तों वाली, वो पिंडी रानी, वो पिंडी रानी, माँ शेरा वाली, पहाड़ा वाली, बोलो, बोलो, ओ पहाड़ा वाली, 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 ओ पहाड़ा। ये मेरी बहन थी, बहुत रहती है।
सदा